Hi there, welcome to my channel. So in the previous video I showed you how to do one length haircut and how to fade the front, but my hair does need layering because it's quite thick, and I will show you another way. I've showed you before with previous videos haircut, and today I'm trying a different one. So let's see how that ends up. So what I've done is from here and here I've separated the hair, you can see, and then in the back like that. I tried to do the line here straight and I couldn't because it's so difficult with long hair to do straight line, especially when the hair is wet. But even if the layers are like the layers, I don't like them like a straight line, I like them to blend. So yeah, so let's start with the front bit. Make sure it's nicely straight and use a comb. And because why I'm doing this to the front is because the piece of hair which is here will be longer than the one at the front. So when I cut, we'll have the hair short, the layers going like from short to long in the back, and that's what I want. I like my layers to go like that, not like that. So that's the idea. When the hair is far away, then it's longer. So we're doing this, and let's see what's gonna happen. And you have to remember, with layers you always finish them on dry hair. So, and I'm going to cut for these layers like that much. That's what I'm gonna do. Yep, that's it, done. And then I will do a point cut because I want them to blend, not to sit on the rest of the hair very strong and like a lining. And more, a little bit more. Okay, that's done. So the back one, bring it forward and then cut the same length. Okay, and then we do exactly the same. Okay, now take the bands off. Do your parting the way you normally have the hair, and if you don't have any parting, just do a middle parting. Okay, so I've done it, and that's how I wear my hair. So the layers, when the hair is wet, you can't see that much, but when you're brushing the hair, if you've done a good job, you will be able to brush your hair nice and easy, and I can feel how my hair is going light as well. And if you want more layers, higher layers, you can always go higher, but because I cut my hair every 6 to 8 weeks, I don't need to cut that much for a long time, like every time. But if you actually need it, make sure you do it. So this is the layers. I'm not sure if you can see, and I'm going to try to see what you see. And this is the layering, guys. And as you can see, the layers are not like a line, and it goes like in a triangle shape, and that's because of the sectioning I've done. And yeah, and when I dry my hair properly, I will see how the layers they sit. And if the layers are still too heavy, for example, what I mean by heavy, if the layers they have a harsh line, for example, let's say I have something like this, I have staying like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to point cut a little bit like when it's wet, and then it not to be that straight of a line. And there's always another technique as well, which is like slicing, but I'll see when I dry my hair, I'll see how it looks, and if the haircut needs to be finished, then I can do another part of the video, how to finish your layers on dry hair. So this is after I dry my hair, guys. This is the haircut. I have not touched the layers at all. I blow dry my hair straight. I have not used straightener, but you can see it's quite straight because I've used a round brush and I used a keratin hair mask and then the heat protector. So yeah, it adds up, and my hair is naturally straight. And yeah, this is the layers. I'm not 100% sure about here because it's very hard for me to sort this side because I'm right-handed. So, but I wear my hair like that behind the ear, so I think it looks quite good. And I'll show you now the back. My hair feels so healthy after the haircut. It's just unbelievable. So this is the layers we created. Yeah, that's the haircut. I'm not gonna touch anything to finish the layers because I think it looks really good and I'm really happy. And then we'll see, next month I might try to do some kind of different layers. Yeah, and if you're wondering about my hair color, I love it at the moment. And yeah, I did root smudge by myself, and it went wrong. It was first too dark, then I had to lighten it, so I haven't got any toner now at the moment. Here is just the bleach bath. But yeah, anyway, I talk too much. I don't want this video to get too long. Thank you so much for watching, and I have so many videos I've posted before, so please do subscribe and watch them. I have so many makeup videos, makeup and beauty videos, some parts of my life. I have videos, a lot of videos about hair. I've posted some of my work as well. So yeah, if you subscribe, you can have a look. There are over 100. I've lost count now, but yeah, thank you.